welcome back. It's me, Fancy Get to Toss 5, and today, here's my new puppies or dogs. Okay, wait. Come on here, Pearl and Vanilla. Okay, here's Pearl. Okay, here's Pearl. Guys, this is Pearl. Look. Yeah. This is Pearl. Say hi to YouTube, Pearl. Hi, YouTube. Okay. So here's Pearl. Look, Pearl the dog. And they are both girls. Yeah, girl dogs, female dogs. Yeah, and this is her mouth. I mean, this is her mouth. Yes, and cutie paw. Okay. Next up, it's Vanilla. Okay, this is Vanilla. Vanilla. Look. Vanilla say hi to Whitey. Hi to YouTube. Oh, YouTube. Okay. This is Vanilla and this is Pearl. Yeah, okay. Hey guys, it's me, Pearl. And say hi to Whitey. Vanilla. Hi guys, it's me, Vanilla. Okay, good girl. So they are both, yeah, they are both good dogs. Good. Okay, no, this is Pearl and Vanilla. Okay, guys. So, bye. Come on, Pearl. They are so happy. Bye, guys.